1. Two special properties of logarithm. If I have log base A, this is how much? 1. I have log base A1. This is? Good, Zachary. This is 0. Okay, can? So this is the two special properties. Okay, power law. Pampin, all this look familiar or not? Or totally out of the mind already? Power law, if I have log 5, 7, 3, what can I rewrite this as?
Three log 5, 7.
Yes, power law, I can bring it to the front. 3 log 5, 7. Okay, this is power law. I can bring to the front, I can bring it to the back. Okay, but if I have something like this, log 5xy cubed, can I say this is 3 log 5xy? I want Fan Pin to answer me. Huh?
Cannot.
Why cannot? You said power law, what? Power law can come down what?
Because the 3 belongs to y.
Yes, correct. Okay, so the 3 only belongs to y. Unless I do this, then yes, okay. All right, so yeah. Okay, then after that, I have a product law. Product law, if I have log 5, 7 plus log 5, 3, what does this give me?
Log 5, 7 times 3.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, this gives me log 5, 21. So multiply. So if you must know the other way also. If I give you log 5 x cubed y squared, you must know that it's log 5 x cubed plus x log 5 y squared. You must know how to split it up again. Okay, then for quotient law, same thing. If it's log 5, 7 minus log 5, 3, then this would be a divide. Log 5, 7 over 3, like this. Okay, so these are the 3 basic laws. And then last but not least, we have a change of base. So change of base used especially when I want to press a calculator, right? So if I give you something like log 3, 8, and then I say, give me the constant, give me the value of this. It can't be done because calculator doesn't have a base of 3. Correct? So what would I change this base to? Calculator by default is?
Log 10.
Yeah. So I will change it to a log 10. What first?
Log 10.
8 first?
8.
Or yeah, correct. Very good, Zachary. Log 10, 8 over log 10, 3. Zachary, I realize in class, you can answer all my question one. Then the homework all
Yeah.
what happened one, one answer, like one. Is it a boys thing? Pampin also another one. In class, answer everything nice. Then the homework, one statement. All the working is.
I pick up concepts very fast.
And then
But
go
then
forget.
after that I 没有了.
You want me to email a picture of myself to you? Every time do homework, you look at my
I don't think it helps, sure.
It seems like when you see me, you know everything, but you don't see me, you don't know anything already. Okay, so these are just a few laws and we are done with this chapter. But of course, during O-levels, they're not going to test you things like, oh, just simplify it. They may have those kind of questions, but most importantly, it's application questions. Okay, but before that, let's do some solving questions first. These are the application questions that I will go through later. Okay, let's start off with something easy. Let's take a look at 2C. And then I will, let's go with 2C first. Log 2x, log 2 4x plus 7. How can I combine these two up together?
Log 2x times 4x plus 7
All right,
equals
very
to-
good. This is a product law. Like that, how? So when I want to solve it, I must make sure it's something like this. Log 2x equals to log 2, 5. Then I can say, oh, x equals to 5. Pin, how do I change this to a log 2 something?
Rewrite.
Hmm?
Can we not rewrite?
How do we write? Shannon, how do I change the 1 to a log 2 something?
Log 2, 2.
Yeah, very good. You change it to log 2, 2. Now both sides is log 2. Can I drop it? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, so x, 4x squared I rainbow in plus 7x equals to 2. From here, quadratic or Sec 2 we learn one. 4x squared plus 7x minus 2 equals to 0. From here, you just have to do your box method. Done. Okay? From here, can you all help me continue? Pin, how come like logarithm, the information all nothing one ah? Huh? How come like nothing inside already?
I tired.
Tired ah. I tell you, today I work 9 hours, you know. I teach for 9 hours straight. So you tired, more tired or I'm more tired? Huh?
So you're giving information, we're absorbing. It's harder to
Giving
absorb.
information is equally tiring, oh.
Because giving information, you just talk only. Just talk
Wow,
only.
okay. You come and teach me. You come and teach me. Ah.
Sure, where's the others?
Where's the
I'm the
other?
only one here.
No, Denzel is supposed to come. And it's, I don't know, he said he is okay. He's not okay with morning class, but he's okay with night class. I don't know where is he, but I just texted him. Jasmine can't make it
Oh.
today because she got camp.
X is 1/4 and -2.
Did the rest get these two answers also? Yeah? Sure not? Don't bluff me, ah.
Just use the calculator.
X equals to 1/4 or x equals to -2. From here, am I going to accept both or am I going to reject anything?
No, they just ask you solve.
Yeah. Solve, right? I got these two answers. I will have to reject -2. For logarithm, no negative inside. Okay, so there is no such thing as log 2 -2. No such thing. The base cannot be a negative also. So in this case, we will reject the negative.
Okay.
Okay, can? All right. Okay, question 6C. 6C. One is LG, one is LOGX. How?
Oh, LGX is just X.
LGX is just X, no.
What is
LG,
what?
I can rewrite it as log base 10x plus log base x 10 equals to 2. So these two bases are not the same. I cannot do product law. I cannot do quotient law to them. Because for these two, I need to make sure that my bases are the same first. Meaning I need to think about what?
I don't know.
What is one law that we learn?
Change the bases.
Yes. Change the base to x or change the base to 10. Either
10.
one is fine.
You said 10. It's
Yes,
easier.
correct. If I have a constant and a variable, I would go with the constant. Good, Zachary, you remember. Okay, so help me change the base to 10, meaning your first one don't touch. Just change the second one. And then 2 whole, if it's possible, help me change it to log base 10 also. Okay, once you change the base, combine it using product law. Okay, so this one is log 10x plus log 10 over log 10x equals to 2. Okay, so log 10 is just one whole, correct or not? So I rewrite it. I get log 10x plus 1 over log 10x equals to 2. Okay, from here I'm stuck. Why stuck? Because there is no way, unlike indices, right? You cannot pull this thing up one. Then how? I can do a substitution from here. Did you realize that log 10x and log 10x, they are exactly the same?
Yes.
What can I do? I can let that be y, or let that be whatever alphabet. So let's say if I let this be y, isn't it just y plus 1 over y equals to 2? Can I solve for the value of y from here? Can. This is your sec 1,
Yes.
sec 2 linear equation. Right? Or the denominator, you make it to y, you can drop them. This is what my sec 2 just now went through. They learn solving. So this one will become y squared plus 1 equals to 2y. What is this? Quadratic. Y squared minus 2y plus 1 equals to 0.
You know you can use your calculator to find.
Yeah, can. But you have to show your working still, man. So y minus 1, y minus 1. So therefore, y is equals to 1. Don't just stop here. Okay, don't just stop here. Because they are not looking for the value of y. They are looking for the value of x. Correct? They are looking for the value of x. So from here, you have to write down log 10x equals to 1. How do I change it to index form, Fampin? Me again.
132.
Yes, very well done. Wow, you still remember that 132. So 132, 10 to the power of 1, it's equals to x. X is equals to 10. That's all. Okay? So this substitution will only work if you are only left with this one unknown that is exactly the same. Can see? Okay? If this side is a 3x, then it doesn't work already. Because it will be y plus 1 over y equals to 3x. You cannot be dealing with so many unknowns in one single equation. Can I understand? Okay? Come. Try E for me. Your base is not the same. You decide what is gonna be the common base. Would you want to deal with square root of 7 or not? Or would you rather deal with 7? I think I would rather deal with 7, right? Correct or not? Okay, give you a clue. 7 square root, it's 7 to the power of half. You will have to deal with a bit of indices here. All right. 3 minutes. Try. Change of base. Power law. You need this few.
You must know.
How are your March holidays? Halfway through already, right? What have y'all done or what have y'all achieved? Han Bin? Every day, go shopping, play game. Shannon, what have you achieved? Everyday dance. Never. Zachary? Nothing. Then what y'all do? Everyday sleep. Nothing else.
But by the end of this week.
Huh?
By the end of this week.
Yeah. Holiday
I've got
homework.
something. I've got something.
Better start doing your holiday homework. Don't snowball. Wow, Saturday panic. Sunday chiong. I know.
Oh, yeah. Holiday homework.
Yeah. Better start
No,
doing it. Okay, come. Can I have a volunteer to help me change the base of the first one? The second term don't need to touch. The right hand side don't need to touch, right? Pumpy? Yeah, the special one.
So did Denzel leave me?
Denzel, maybe got kidnapped already. He don't want to reply me.
Okay,
Quite
change the base to 7.
Isn't that what I said? You help me change, Ken?
Shit.
Log 7, 3x minus 5 over log 7 to 7 to the power of half.
Log 7, 7 to the power of half. Very good. Okay, then at the denominator, is there anything that I can do or not about the 7 to the power of half?
Make it half.
Yes, correct. How did he make it half? He bring the power law, correct? Power come down. I lazy to rewrite, so the power I write in front. Okay, so this entire thing just gives me 1 whole. So this is log 7, 3x minus 5 divided by half means, in another words, means what? Times 2. Correct? Okay, why Okay, I hear Okay, I can.
No, your screen.
Yeah, your screen is not moving.
Oh, no wonder y'all, Okay, wait. Okay, this was what I wrote.
Gonna kill myself.
Okay, so just now I was talking about the left-hand side because I got a fraction within a fraction, right? How to deal with this? I can keep, change, flip. Huh? What is keep, change, flip? This big sign, it's a divide sign, right? Correct or not? I can rewrite it as this if you all are confused. Divided by half equals to log 7, 3x squared plus 5x minus 24. I can rewrite it like that. Then the left-hand
You
side.
just write it as times 2.
Yeah, correct. It just means it's times 2 lor. Okay,
Then
so
why you
it,
write divided by half?
huh?
Just times 2 lah.
Yeah lor, just times 2 lor.
Aiya.
Aiya, just now I scared you all don't know ma. Because I said times 2, someone, huh?
That is simple maths. Up to a certain degree.
Okay, from here. Shannon, what should I do to the left-hand side? Can I just draw?
Yeah, I think you can.
Yeah, I think you can. Can I?
I don't know, you're the teacher.
You are the student who are learning.
Then
Cannot,
tell me.
because you have a 2 there. So what must I do to the 2 first?
Divide by 2 ah.
错，你 divide by 2, then 你那边不是有一个 fraction，不是更麻烦？Power law up.
Like I said, so you're the teacher. You teach me.
Okay, power law up first. So
Okay.
let's do no more. I'm left with log 7, 3x minus 5 whole thing square equals to log 7, 3x square plus 5x minus 24. From here, I can drop. Okay, remember, whoever is still pulling in the square like that for me, please attend my Sec 2 class. Okay, this is a special identity. All right, it gives me a square minus 2ab, 2ab, yeah, plus b square equals to 3x squared plus 5x minus 24. Everything shift to one side, solve for your two values of x.
How do you get a polynomial number?
Yeah, this is a quadratic. I think your final answer is a
You
simple
get 10.
fraction. Mm.
Yeah.
Dan send me,
I know that.
Good, Fan Bin. Correct, Shannon. Good. So my quadratic is 6x squared minus 35x plus 49 equals to 0. Okay, I factorize 3x minus 7, 2x minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, then I get 3x equals to 7, x equals to 7 over 3, 2x equals to 7, x equals to 7 over 2. So in this case, I don't have to reject anything because both my values are nice numbers. I mean, not nice numbers, positive numbers. So it's okay. All right, Ken? Any questions or not? No, Okay, can we take a look at question 13a? This kind of solving, it's a bit like, it looks a bit like indices, correct? It looks a bit like indices, right? But 8 to the power of x equals to 5. In law of indices, right, if we learn something like that, 2 to the power of x equals to 2 to the power of 3, we can just say, oh, x is equals to 3. But in this case, if you look at the number 8 and 5, there is no way that you can make 8 to a base that is similar to your 5. You get what I mean or not? It's like, if this is a 25, then okay, I can change 25 to 5 squared. But 8, maximum I can do it's 2 cubed. 5, 2 to the power of nothing give me 5 what? Right? So this is it. So how do I continue from here then? Who got a suggestion? Anyone? What can I do here?
You're talking about E, right?
13a.
13A. Moment.
Pumping, what will you do? Shannon, what will you do? Don't do, just leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what Zachary would do. This is our topic on log. I log both sides. Then I see how. Okay, I log both sides. Log what? Log base of what?
10 more.
Yeah, lor. You don't know, then best is true stand what. If you want to press calculator, then you don't need to change of base again what. I just LG 8x equals to LG 5. What can I do to this x?
Bring
Power law, bring it
X.
down. X log 8 equals to log 5. From here, can I let x stand alone? It will just be log 5 over log 8. Luckily we chose 10, right? If not, we need to do change of base again. From here, can we just press the calculator? Can. Log base 10 is by default my calculator base already. Okay, can you help me press this inside the calculator? Give it a try. We haven't been using calculator much.
Zero 0.773976.
Okay, yeah, correct. So I'll round it off to 3SF, 0.774. That's all. Okay, can? Okay, B. Similar, how?
Log everything.
Log everything. But log E doesn't give me a nice number. So if I see a E involved, I will choose ln instead. Yeah. Again, if I see a E involved, I will go with ln instead. So what can I do to this 3 first? I try and let EX stand alone, right? So E to the power of X equals to 4.1 over 3. Then from here, you ln both sides. I think it's better like this. Okay, try. It's something similar to your A.
Mm. 3.92225.
3.9 ah. No leh, I don't have that leh. My answer is 0 point something one eh.
Okay.
Pampin, your smile means what? You got it. Send it to me. Okay, Pampin got it. So I will ln both sides first, right? Ln 4.1 over 3. Then power law come down again. I get x ln e equals to ln 4.1 over 3. Ln e is equals to what? 1, right? So x is
Oh.
equals to ln 4.1 over 3. Just press this in a calculator. You should get 0.312 rounded off to 3SF.
So where's the long button?
A ln button is just right beside the log button.
The ln.
Yeah, ln, correct.
Okay.
Okay? Did y'all get it? Can I? Okay. Most importantly, we must know how to do the application questions. That's the most important portion. These are the type of very commonly seen questions. Okay. It's not easy. You have to understand what the question is talking about. So age of fossil, the amount A grams of carbon-14 remaining in a piece of fossilized substance is given by A equals to whatever, 240 e to the power of minus kt. Okay, where k is a constant. T, it's time measured in years. All right. The carbon-14 takes approximately 5729 years to be reduced to 120 grams. I want to calculate the value of K. What is this talking about?
I don't know.
Okay,
You explain.
you
I'll
reread
just
first.
listen.
Okay, take a look. They already said A is the amount of grams of carbon. Okay, T is the time. K is constant. So my first thing to find is K, that constant. And over here, they give me one set of values to sub in, which is 5729 years. So this is my time T. Reduced to 120 grams. That is my A. So I'm just going to plug it in. 120 equals to 240 E minus K T 5729. From here, does it look like something we just did earlier?
Yes.
I only got one unknown. I bring the 240 over first. So 120 over 240 equals to e to the power of negative 5729k. From here, help me solve for the value of k. It's the same as what we just did.
Okay.
Fan Ping, correct.
The power over, does it change to positive?
Power change to positive. How come it?
Power law.
Huh? Sorry, I didn't get your question.
No, using power law, right? We
Yeah,
bring
correct. Power law. Yes.
does the number change to positive?
No,
Okay.
So I get negative 5729K equals to ln half. Okay, you just find K, you just take ln half divided by negative 5729. Your answer will become a positive number, which is 0.000121. Very good, Fan Bin. So this is your constant K that doesn't change throughout this entire question. It won't change already. Time is, let's say 100 years later, your K is still that value. All right. So now they want the amount of carbon remaining in the substance, which would indicate that it has an age of 12,000 years. That K is still the same K. So this 12,000, it is your value of T. Years, correct or not? So now we are looking for amount of carbon, which is A, right? So very simple. A is equals to 240 e to the power of negative K, which is 0.000121 T. T in this case, the question already said, is 12,000. All you have to do, your numbers are all on one side already. Your unknown A is already standing alone. All you have to do is just to press your calculator. Okay? You all know where to find E, right? Alpha, the E is right at the bottom. Okay? Your value of A will be 56.2 grams, rounded off to 3SF. Okay, Ken? So these are the typical kind of applications question that we need to know for logarithm, commonly tested. Okay, let's try question 2. Any questions for this or not? No, quite doable.
Like, because they ask.
Which one?
No, why you use negative 0.00000121? Instead of
this one, is it?
Yeah.
Because the formula is minus KT to the power of minus KT. My K is this one, So there is a negative here already, This is my negative KT.
Oh, okay.
Then after that, I just press calculator. I don't need to manipulate anything here because my A is already standing alone. Okay. Okay, question 2. Recorded values of the mass m grams of a radioactive substance T hours after observations began can be modeled by these. Now you see a E, right? So if you need anything, you should be thinking about ln. E and ln, they are good friends. So M0 and K are constants. The mass of the substance is reduced to 62 grams after 2 hours. Part 1, they said state the initial mass of the substance. How do I find the initial mass? How to find initial mass?
Work backwards.
Work backwards. Do I find K first? Yeah, Fan Bin, what about this?
T equals 0.
Yeah, T equals to 0 because initial, your time hasn't started yet. Okay, so whenever they ask for initial, meaning T is equals to 0. I'm just going to sub it in. M equals to 72E minus K times 0. Do you need to find K? No, minus K times 0 is still 0. E to the power of 0 is what? Law of indices we learned. 1. 0 indices, right? So this entire thing will just give you 1.
Okay.
M is just 72. Okay, so very simple. This is your initial mass, 72 grams. Okay, can you all try part 2? Same thing. I'm gonna use this already. Because we already sub in a 0, we realize that the K is eliminated. So that one won't help us to find the value of K. We are gonna use what is given, which is this, 62 gram after 2 hours. So M is 62, 72, E minus K, 2. So 72, I'm bringing the 72 over lah. Okay, law on both sides. Power law come down. Find your value of K. Okay, I want you to send me your value of K in 6 significant figure so that I know that you really got it. Send it to me in 6 significant figure. Give me 1 minute, I go toilet. Yeah, okay, Fanping, good. I see yours. Good, Zachary. Okay, good, Shannon. Okay, very good. Well done. Part 3 is easy. They just say using this value of K, find the mass of the substance after 5 hours. You already got your K value. You know T is 5. You just press inside your calculator will do. No need to manipulate anything. Okay, Ken? This one I skip, Can, So this is just press calculator. You just press 72 e to the power of negative that K value that y'all send me times 5 can already. All right, can. Okay, just now I went through one difficult question with my student. Okay, this one first. 5 part 1. Given that log 25 x squared equals to log 125 u, I want to express u in terms of x. Meaning I want u equals to blah, blah, blah x. Okay. My base is not the same. So I can't say, oh, just drop it. I can't do that. All right. What should I do from here? Base not the same. You know you have to do a change of base. Would you go with base 25 or would you go with base 125?
Base 125.
Who say base 125? Pampin also, is it? Why shivering? Don't worry lah, wrong lah. Shannon?
So it's wrong.
Can you just put
5,
5?
huh? Very good. I can go with base 25, but you realize that the base 25 and 125, they have a common thing. I would always choose the smallest one. Okay, so Shannon made a very good point. We will change all to base 5. Okay, can you all help me do that first? Change all to base 5. Okay, I can, before I change to a base 5, my power x square can come forward first. It gives me 2 log 25x equals to log 125u. Okay, the 2, let it stay. Log 5x over log 525 equals to log 5u over log 5125. From here, how? Did we just make it worse or not? No, right? From here, what can I do?
Multiplication.
Cross multiplication, no.
No. Okay.
Pumping, what can I do?
You done.
Why me again? Because you look the sleepiest today. Is it bedtime for you? No. I don't think so. Don't lie.
Oh.
3 more hours to bedtime.
How? What should I do? Nobody, Shannon? Yeah.
The
Okay.
bottom, right, you change 25 to 5 square. The other 125 you change to 5 cube. After that, you
Very
bring out the 3.
good.
Then the other one bring out 2. Then overall, you can 6.
Oh, you talk so fast. Nobody can understand you, but I can. Equals to log 5u over log 5 cube. And then from here, I can power law down. Okay? Log 5, 1. So it's just a 2 whole. Equals to log 5u over power law down, log 5, 1 again. And then on the left-hand side, what can I do? 2 over 2, I can cancel. Right? Log 5x equals to log 5 u over 3. From here, I can cross multiply. Why not? I get 3 log 5x equals to log 5u. Power law, bring this back up. Log 5x cubed equals to log 5u. Therefore, u is equals to x cubed. That's all. Can see? Pumping, go ahead with part 2. Part 2 is difficult. Okay. Shannon and Zachary, any questions for part 1 or not? So a lot of laws coming back in, all the change of base law, product law law, quotient law law, power law law, everything is going to combine together. So you have to know what law to use. Okay. For part 2, whoever can solve it, I give you 5 stars.
Not worth it.
Not worth it, Okay, I up the stake, 10 stars. It's equivalent to getting the whole homework correct. It took me a while to solve this question just now.
Okay, then not worth it.
100 stars. No lah, kidding.
Okay, see.
Okay, whoever can solve this question, 10 stars to whoever who got it. Goes the same to you, Fan Bin. Everything looks okay except for the last term here. Hey, suddenly got a 3 come out one eh. So you have to think what base should you go with? Correct or not? You see, 125, 25, 125. You know their common number is 5, but suddenly got 1 3 come out. But if you change to a log of base 3, then it's going to be difficult for you to work with all these numbers. So you go and decide what base to change to. Okay? I give you all 5 minutes. If you all can solve this, I give you all 10 stars.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
is it got other topics into it?
Is it got what?
Got other topics merged into it?
No. Purely logarithm. No other topics. Other topics like what? Maybe you can do it in a different method, I guess.
I forgot what's this topic called, but okay.
You forgot what this topic is called.
It's the long division one.
Don't have. Or you are doing it in terms of like x cubed, that kind of. No, don't have. Polynomials lah, don't have. Okay, one last minute. Cannot, then nobody get my 10 stars. Yeah, I give you a clue, okay? Now drop to 5 stars already. Change to a base of log 125. I don't know if other bases work, but I tried a few bases, only log 125 work. Okay,
Now
if
then
you
you
can
see.
solve this, I give you 5 stars. No, okay, let me go through.
Wait.
Okay, wait.
Calm down.
Okay, come, time's up. Just now I said change to a base of log 125, right? So the first one don't need to change. Log 125 x cubed plus 10x minus log 125. Okay, the 2 comes in front first lah. Log 125 25. Sorry, log 125 x over log 125 25 equals to 1 over log 125 125 over log 125 3. Okay, so I didn't do anything else. Basically, I'm just changing all the bases. Okay, so now all my base is the same already. The first part I just copied back. Minus 2 log 125x over denominator. Can you all help me press what is the value? Press it in calculator, so you need to change it to a base of 10. Log 25 divided by log 125. Do y'all get 2/3?
Yeah.
Okay, so from here, to simplify a bit, I got fractions within a fractions for both my left and right side, right? So 125 x cubed plus 10x
A to -3.
-3.
Negative 3.
I will keep change flip. Okay. This portion here, I will do okay, let me pull this out. This is log 125x divided by 2 over 3, which gives me log 125x times 3 over 2. Okay, which gives me 2, 3 log 125x over 2. And same thing, you see, I can cancel off. Okay, so I start here first. I keep change flip for the one that I highlighted. Okay, up to here, can Okay, this right hand side, same thing, I also keep change flip. I pull it down and I do it separately first. This is 1 divided by 1 over log 125(3). You just need to know this is a constant. So I keep, change, and flip. So this entire thing, it just gives you what? Log 125(3) times 1 is still log 125(3), right? Okay, so this entire thing, I'm going to rewrite it as log 125(3). So far, so good?
No.
No.
How you get log?
Which
How you
one?
get rid of the numerator one?
For this one?
Yeah.
For this one?
Yeah.
Okay. This one is 1 divided by 1 over log 125(3). Then I keep change flip.
Oh, okay.
That's why it just give me log 125(3). Okay, from here, you see, your log 125 and log 125 is the same base already, right? All you need to do is power law up. So yeah, I rewrite this log 125 x cubed plus 10x minus log 125 x cubed equals to log 125(3). And if you have a minus with the bases the same, how do you combine them together? Divide, right? Correct or not? This is a quotient law, correct or not? Your base is the same already. Can you see? I cannot just drop at this point. I say, oh, all the same. Then you just drop law. X cubed plus 10x minus x cubed equals to 3. Cannot. You can only drop when you have one term equals to one term. So you have to quotient law first. So log 125, this is a quotient law. Now can I drop my log 125? Can, right? Correct or not? From here, I can drop. Can see? Okay. After this, I'm left with just algebra. So Fan Bin asked a question, is this polynomial or not? Because I see x cubed. We can cross multiply. 3x cubed equals to x cubed plus 10x. From here, how come got x cubed? I bring the x cubed over first, then I see how. 3x cubed minus x cubed equals to 10x. 2x cubed equals to 10x. On both sides, I can do what?
Divide.
Divide by 2, divide by x.
2x.
So I divide by 2 on both sides, I get x cubed equals to 5x. I divide by x on both sides, x squared equals to 5. X equals to square root 5 or minus square root 5, but no negative. So you reject the negative. That's it. Complicated? Yeah, quite complicated.
Okay lah.
Okay, yeah. It took me a while to think. Because I went to try and change it to all bases of 5. Cannot work. Change to base of 3 also cannot work. Change to base of 3 is the worst. Because you'll be stuck at the 3, log 3, 1, 2, 5, log 3, 25. All nothing to link one. Okay? Quite long, but doable lah. Okay, one easy question. It's just a 2-mark one. 3 minutes, quick. Okay, yeah, this one, you can do it in indices form. You don't have to do logarithm actually. This one you can do indices. Give me your value or values of x, huh?
X equals 2.
Wow, so fast. Let me see. Only, yeah.
Well, X also can be this 2,
Yeah, correct.
I think.
Plus minus 2. How did Zachary get? 625, I can change to a base of 5 to the power of 4, right? For this kind of situation, I don't need to log both sides. So it's 5. Take note, this is not 2x, it is x squared. X times x gives me x squared, 5, 4. So x squared equals to 4. X equals to plus minus of square root of 4, which is x is equals to plus minus of 2. Okay, good, good, good. Okay. I want... Okay, 2 part 1 first. Same thing, 3 minutes. So if you see 3, 10, and 2 to the power of x, nothing in common to change. So what can we do first? What can I do to this? I can split, right? The 2 to the power, this is indices, 2x, I got this law a m bracket n gives me a m n, right? This is one law, correct or not? So it's 3 square bracket x equals to 10 2x. And what is 3 square bracket x? This is 9x equals to 10, 2x. Can I say this is 20x or not? No, right? Because the x only belongs to your 2, it doesn't belong to your 10. Okay, then from here, how? I log both sides, also no use. Correct or not? Anyone? Any idea? I just want to find the value of 4.5. So you look at your equation here. How is this linked to 4.5? This is a
4.5 is half of 9.
half of 9. 9 divided by 2.
Yes.
Campaign from
Yes.
here, how?
Move the to the power of x, the other side.
Correct. Very good. So I'll just shift this. 9x over 2x equals to 10. Is this one of your law of indices? Yes. Correct or not? It gives me 9 over 2 to the power of x. They are both sharing the same power. Equals to 10. Then 9 over 2, I can rewrite it as 4.5 already. What? Isn't this 4.5 to the power of x? Equals to 10. That's it. They're only looking for 4.5 to the power of x. Done. Okay. Hence solve the equation of this. So now I've already solved this of the 4.5 to the power of x equals to 10. How do I solve for the value of x from here? There is no way that I can change 4.5 to a base of 10 or change it to a similar base one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. If you can't change it to a similar base, you know this is not indices, but this is logarithm. What do we do to both sides?
Change it to 10. Log 10.
Yeah, correct. I log both sides. Okay, or you can ln both sides. But ln usually comes with E lah. I will go with log. So you log both sides. Power come down, find the value of x. Round it off to 3SF for me. Pumping yours. I got Shannon's answer. I got Zachary's answer. Zachary, yours is not right.
Oh, my send you answer.
Alah, of course. I log both sides, right? I log 4.5x equals to log 10. Correct or not? Power law, this one comes down. X log. Yeah, correct. 4.5 equals to log 10. X is equals to log 10, which is 1. 1 over log 4.5. You press your calculator, log. You get 1.53. Okay, Ken? No problem. Okay, one last question. Express 2 log this equals to half as a quadratic equation in X and explain why there are no real solutions. This is a combination of your chapter 2, sec 3. Okay, so you realize that these bases are the same. So no change of base here. Okay, the other side, we leave it first because I'm seeing a half. Let's try and combine my left-hand side first. Okay, so power law, log 4x squared minus log 4 3x minus 8 equals to half.
You get log 4
Mm.
x squared divided by 3x minus 8.
Very good. So I get log 4 x squared over 3x minus 8 equals to half. From here, should I make the right-hand side base of log 4 also or not?
Yeah.
Actually, you don't have to. You can 132 from here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, no problem making the other side log 4 also. Or straight away, we can 132. So it's 4 to the power of half equals to x squared over 3x minus 8. 4 to the power of half is just a 2 whole, right? Correct not? So 2 is equals to x squared over 3x minus 8. From here, they want a quadratic. I just cross multiply. That's it. Okay, explain why are there no real solutions here? No real solutions means what? Pampin, recap.
No real roots.
No real roots means what?
D is lesser than 0.
Yes, correct. Very good. Your discriminant is lesser than 0. Okay, so what's the formula for discriminant?
D equals to B squared minus 4AC.
Yes, good
Is lesser than
job.
0.
So it's B square, which is minus 6 square, minus 4AC. They say show, explain. I don't straight away equate to smaller than 0. Don't do that because you are supposed to be explaining it. But in here, we don't have a unknown x. Okay, so we just press calculator. This is 36 minus 64, which is negative 28. There, it's smaller than 0. Okay, so we write there, since discriminant smaller than 0, the equation has no real solutions.
Roots.
Okay? Means no intersection. Pampin, what are you doing? Okay, Ken, do you have a better idea of log? No, Shannon, oh my God. You made me feel like you didn't absorb anything here. Okay, the questions today I went through are slightly tougher, but you have to face the reality. These are the type of questions that you will see in O-level. Okay, application questions. They are not going to just give you a logarithm form and just say, oh, change it to index form. It's not going to be so simple. Right? They're going to throw you with equations. Same for indices. They're going to throw you with equations. And you decide whether is it quotient law, power law, change of base, change to a what base. You decide. Your friend sitting next to you may not have the same base that she changed to, that you all changed to. But you all will have the same answer, provided you all can solve. Okay, Ken? So for logarithm, surds, and indices, these 3 topics are very much linked. Actually, for logarithm, your first portion of logarithm, right? It's on indices law that I didn't go through because I mean E-math also cover indices law, ma. Okay. Any questions from me? So if I throw you a question now, can y'all solve it or no? Cannot. Zachary cannot.
I mean, it depends on the question, you know.
Don't go back, forget everything. Pampin, same for you. Don't after this. Logarithm? What is logarithm? Okay, so to decide whether we use log or ln, every time I see a e, we will always try to use ln because ln e is 1 ma. Correct or not? If we don't see an e, then we'll go with log 10 log base 10, so that if we need to use the calculator, we don't have to change any base again. All right, Ken. So no homework for today. For Shannon and Zachary, I'll see you all tomorrow again. Fampin, I'll see you on Saturday. No, I'll see you on Friday morning.
Yeah. What's the email homework?
I PM you. I also don't know.
Take it I never asked. No homework, no homework.
No, I will find it immediately for you.
No, because you also never send a chat, so no
Did I
homework.
not? Okay, I'll go and see. Thanks for reminding me. All right. Yeah, Zachary and Shannon, I'll see y'all tomorrow night, same time. And then Fampin, I'll see you on Friday morning. Okay? Thank you, everyone. See you. Have a good rest. Bye-bye.